Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkBuJo, and these are some book page envelopes, and I wanted to show you some details. I have the idea from the channel of Treasure Books, and I will link it down below in the description box. And I just wanted to show you some details. So these are book pages I glued and then sewed together and put on something like a fabric or paper or mixed cluster. And you can put in some ephemera into this book page pouch, and I closed them with this spiral paper clips. This is a cool one. I hinged this fabric ruffle together with some paper clips, so it's not elastic or anything. This is the envelope, and then you can just tie around this kind of closure onto your envelope. And you can reuse this closure, so this fabric ruffle, for other projects. So this is another one with a button on it, and I put on this spiral paper clip and this little piece of a map just to protect this space over here, and so that you have something to play with when you receive one of these envelopes. I will use them for my junk journals, put some cool stuff into here, and put the envelopes into the junk journals. This one sorry, has these two tickets on it, and these are stickers. You can just peel them off. These are like washi stickers, so a bit of a thinner kind of stickers. And I just put them over the edge to protect the edge and to give you a little bit of something extra to play with. Here I did not cut the edges, I left them straight. Here I used a bit of this kind of burnt looking washi tape, and again this button and this cluster. Again, two of these tickets and a cluster with a button. As you can see, I love clusters with buttons. So let's go a bit more into the details. So here I put on this fabric ruffle. This is glued on. And then the closure is this, oh, I think I have to focus again. This hidden, spiral paper clip is again. And the last one, here I put on this kind of burnt edges washi tape all around. And again, two of these tickets, this washi tape sticker tickets. So I hope this gave you a bit of inspiration for your own projects. And I will link the original video how to produce these book page envelopes or book page pouches from Treasure Books down below in the info box. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more junk journal embellishment and ephemera videos, and for some bullet journal videos as well. Bye!